Have you ever been told by your parents, don't stay too close to the microwave while it's working? You might be wondering, what could go wrong? Then they might tell you, because it's radioactive while it's working. Then you start to panic. Radioactive? Nuclear? Oh no! Is this going to end up like Fallout Shelter? I better move my head away from this mini Chernobyl. The internet is full of articles, reports and blogs claiming that microwaves could cause a series of threats to our health. Are the humble microwaves responsible for destroying vitamins, poisoning and sucking all of our nutrients out of our food? What does this mean? And is any of it actually true? Radiation can be found all around us in varying amounts. It is essentially the release of energy which is given off by everyday things, such as the sun and household electrical appliances. We are always exposed to natural background radiation, from radioactive gases given off from the earth to radioactive substances in the soil. Microwaves are a type of wave on the electromagnetic spectrum, and they are commonly referred to as a high-frequency radio wave. The frequency given off by microwaves is absorbed by water, fats, and sugars, and once they are absorbed, they are converted into atomic motion called heat. However, these waves are not absorbed by most plastics, glass, or ceramics. Metal, however, does reflect microwaves, which is why it is a bad idea to leave your fork in your pasta. The radio waves penetrate the food and excite water and fat molecules more or less evenly throughout. The quickly rotating water molecule means your food heats up fast, because you're exciting the atoms. So the question is, can microwave radiation be harmful to humans? Yes. Radiation doesn't always mean something is radioactive. In this case, it means energy radiating from a source. Extended exposure to microwave radiation can have negative effects on the body, but the government has regulations on the amount of emissions that come out of microwave ovens. Over the entire lifespan of the microwave, it's limited to be that of 5 milliwatts of emissions per square centimetre, measured 5 centimetres from the oven's surface. That amount is way below the amount that can hurt you. And don't forget, the measurement is 5 centimetres away from the microwave. So if you were 50 centimetres away, it would be about 1/100th of that. There has never been any research to show that microwave ovens can cause any sort of long-term damage to humans. Radiation from microwaves are non-ionizing. It can only cause molecules in the food to move. In other words, microwave radiation cannot alter the chemical structure of food components. Therefore, they are not going to affect us in the negative ways that we think about with the radiation that we get off X-rays, for example. Additionally, microwave energy doesn't remain in the cavity of the food after the microwave oven is switched off. In this respect, microwaves act just like light. When the light bulb is turned off, no light remains. So let's just drop it. Contrary to the myth, microwaving your food is actually one of the best ways to maintain nutritional value in food. This is due to the short cooking time and the lack of excess water used to potentially absorb nutrients. Microwaves save way more nutrients than boiling, steaming, or frying for that matter. So we have cleared this food myth bulb with some good old-fashioned science.